were really happy for Eckwerk to help us massively with printing the dream.
The Eckwerk model is a great example to produce an architectural model in a very short amount of time with very low cost. It gives the architect the possibility to actually have a fully created model of his designs to show to his customers and clients.
We are developing an urban village with subculture, culture, location for startups, but also for student living, room and space and time for interesting, fascinating, responsible projects.
In order to print the model, first we had to translate the 3D files received from the architect into a printable object. The program the architects are using is directly compatible with 3D printing. Once we decided how to break down the model, we began slicing. With the slicer, we are able to preview how the model will look after printing and also gauge the amount of time and material needed for completion.
Architectural studios love to use our printer because it's easy to use and mostly relies on software that they're using on a day-to-day work anyways, like Rhino.
The idea behind the Eckwerk is to start with all those sustainable thinkings already in the architecture.
We decided to print the bridge out of a transparent PLA in contrast to the gray PLA of the buildings. In order to see how it intersects with the buildings, we also made the tops of the buildings removable, so we are able to achieve a high accuracy with our models.
It's our clear goal at Eckwerk to change manufacturing.